Imagine turning this empty room into a cinematic experience that feels better than a movie theater. Massive screen, powerful surround sound, deep bass, acoustic treatment, perfect lighting. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build your own home theater, step by step. Step 1. Choose the right room. A dedicated room always gives the best cinematic experience. But even a bedroom or living room can become an amazing home theater. The most important thing is controlling light and sound. Avoid rooms with too many windows. Use blackout curtains to reduce sunlight. Darker walls also improve screen contrast and immersion. And remember, the quieter the room, the better your audio experience will feel. Step 2. Select your display. Now let's talk about the heart of your theater, the display. You have two options, a large TV or a projector. If you want the true cinema feeling, a projector is the winner. A 100-inch or 120-inch screen completely changes the experience. Movies feel bigger, gaming feels immersive, sports become stadium-like. For smaller rooms, a 75 or 85-inch TV is also a fantastic option. If possible, choose a 4K projector with HDR support, and always position the projector at the correct throw distance for maximum clarity. Step 3. Build the audio system. A home theater is not just about visuals. Sound is what creates emotion. For beginners, a 5.1 surround system is the perfect starting point. One center speaker, two front speakers, two surround speakers, and one powerful subwoofer. If you want the ultimate cinematic experience, upgrade to Dolby Atmos. Atmos speakers add vertical sound, so helicopters, rain, and action scenes feel incredibly realistic. Place your center speaker directly below the screen. Your surround speakers should sit slightly behind the seating area, and your subwoofer should be placed where bass feels balanced and deep. Step 4. Acoustic treatment. Now comes the secret step most people ignore. Acoustic treatment. Even expensive speakers can sound bad in a room with echo. Acoustic panels absorb unwanted reflections, making dialogue clearer and bass tighter. Place acoustic panels on side walls where sound first reflects. Add bass traps in room corners to control low frequencies. Use carpets or rugs to reduce floor reflections, and heavy curtains help absorb excess sound. Wooden slat acoustic panels are excellent because they improve sound while also looking premium. A properly treated room feels cleaner, more immersive, and much more cinematic. Step 5. Lighting and ambience. Lighting changes everything. Good lighting makes your theater feel luxurious and immersive. Use indirect LED lighting behind screens, under seats, or along the ceiling. Avoid harsh white lights. Warm ambient lighting or RGB mood lighting creates the best cinematic atmosphere. Smart lights can even sync with movies, gaming, or music for an incredible experience. Step 6. Seating and comfort. Your seating position matters more than you think. Sit at the correct viewing distance for your screen size. Make sure the center of the screen sits near eye level. Comfortable recliners, soft couches, and proper spacing make long movie nights much more enjoyable. Because the goal isn't just watching content, it's creating an experience. And that's it. From an empty room to a complete cinematic experience. Massive visuals, immersive surround sound, acoustic treatment, premium lighting, comfortable seating. Your dream home theater is now ready. And honestly, once you experience movies like this, there's no going back.